Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Notebook Learn channel, your go-to channel for everything English, grammar, vocabulary, IELTS preparation, and more. Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever told yourself, I want to improve my English, but I don't have time? Well, I've got some good news for you. You don't need months. You can start seeing real improvement in just 1 week if you follow the right plan. In today's video, I will walk you through a 7-day, hour-by-hour plan to help you improve all 4 English skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. I'm also going to give you tips to stay consistent, tools to track your progress, and bonus hacks to sound more natural and confident in English. So, grab your notebook and let's dive into it. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss more English tips every week. Now, you might be thinking, can I really improve my English in just 7 days? Here's the thing. Yes, if you focus, practice every day, and follow a structured plan, you will absolutely see a difference in your confidence, fluency, and accuracy. And let's face it, even if you have the best plan ever, you may lose enthusiasm after a while and never go back. So, a plan for only 1 week could be the right start for you if you just started, or could be a great solution if you have an exam or an event coming up and needs intensive preparation and a bit more confidence. Research in cognitive science shows that daily active practice, even for short periods, is more effective than long study sessions once a week. So remember, it's not about studying harder, it's about studying smarter. Let's break down the perfect 7-day English learning plan. You will only need around 2 to 3 hours a day, but it must be active, focused time, not just watching Netflix with subtitles. Day 1. Listen and vocab boost. The goal: train your ear and build useful vocabulary. Listen to a podcast or short video. Recommended The English We Speak from BBC Learning English. Now the steps. Listen once normally. Listen again and pause every 10 seconds and write down the new words. Look up the meanings and write your own sentences using them. Use the app Quizlet to save and practice your new words. You can use an app or just save and practice your own new words. That's why we have a notebook. Day 2. Speaking and shadowing. The goal: improve fluency and pronunciation. Choose a 1 to 2 minute video with subtitles. Repeat what the speaker says. This is called the shadowing technique. The steps: listen, pause, repeat exactly, then record yourself. And here's a practice task. Talk about your daily routine for 2 minutes and record it. Then listen to yourself. Day 3. Reading and reaction. The goal is to improve reading speed and comprehension. Go to breakingnewsenglish.com. BBC Learning English News Reports. The steps: read 1 short article. Highlight 5 to 10 new words or phrases. Write a short summary of the article in your notebook. Add your opinion at the end, and this will help you practice both writing and critical thinking. Day 4. Grammar Masterclass. The goal: Fix your most common grammar mistakes. Choose one grammar topic you struggle with. Present perfect, prepositions, conditionals, questions making. Watch a grammar video on this channel on YouTube or use the Perfect English Grammar website. Do 10 to 15 exercises. Then write 5 sentences of your own using that rule. For example, if you're learning the present perfect, I have lived in London for 3 years. She has never tried sushi. Day 5. Writing practice. The goal: improve structure, vocabulary, and clarity. Choose a question or a topic. Describe a place you love. Talk about an inspiring person. Agree, disagree. Technology makes life better. Write 100 to 200 words. Use tools, Grammarly to fix basic errors. ChatGPT or Google Translate to help you find better expressions. But please don't overuse them. Rewrite your answer the next day with the corrections applied. Day 6. Integrated skills. The goal: combine listening, speaking, and vocabulary. Watch a 5 to 10 minute TED Talk or a documentary clip. The steps: watch and take notes. Pause and summarize each minute out loud. Use 5 new words or expressions in a short talk and record it. This activity helps you with comprehension, note-taking, spontaneous speaking. Day 7. Review and reflect. The goal: review everything and track your progress. Go back to your flashcards, the words that you saved in your notebook, your recordings, your writings, and ask yourself, what improved the most? What do I still struggle with? What do I need to repeat next week? Congratulations, you made it! 1 full week of focused, smart English learning. Repeat to remember. Spaced repetition is key. Review new words 3 times this week. Think in English. Don't translate from your native language. Start by thinking in small phrases. I'm going to the kitchen. I'm making tea. I forgot my phone. Change your environment. Set your phone, browser, and apps to English. Talk to yourself out loud. This builds fluency, confidence, and pronunciation, even without a partner. Join a speaking group. Check out websites like Tandem, Facebook, or Telegram groups. Don't just consume English. Use it. Watching is not enough. Don't focus only on grammar. Balance it with real life, speaking and listening. Don't study randomly. Follow a structured plan like the one I just gave you. Download the free 7-day English plan PDF in the description box below so you can follow this every week. So, can you improve your English in 1 week? Yes, if you stay focused, follow a daily routine, and enjoy the process. This plan is not just for 1 week. You can repeat it every week with the new topics, new grammar, and new vocabulary. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments, what skill do you want to improve this week? Speaking, vocabulary, or writing? I read every comment and reply, so let me know. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the Notebook Learn channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.